So guys, welcome back. We reached on the island now, safe and sound guys. We need to Joan stuck on yeah, we're stranded on an island, stuck on an island. So yeah, but guys, let's see. We'll get the stuff them unpacked and you know, get them unpacked and set up tent. So that's the first thing. Set up shelter because you know, when the rain come and then we don't have nowhere to sleep. So let's get that started out. So guys, I don't know, we're going to see if we can go into the water now and see if we can. So we can see in the water, we just have to take a dive and see what's up. So journey with me in the water now before night because we don't want night come, we don't jump into the water. We're really eager to go into the water. So I will jump into the water now and see what we can find. Any creatures, anything new, fish, anything. I'll go see that. So stick and stay. So guys, we're back from diving and look what we get. Nice little fish. Any fish smell? Nice. What do you call him here? Grunt? Yep. My stomach will come out. My stomach will come out, man. I gotta eat the stomach.
Oh, I gotta eat this one?
Yeah. This part, the healthy part.
Me.
I'll probably catch a fire. That's up. So guys, our fire side will be right here. We're going to overlook. That's not the city. That's the city. The city is that side. The airport is that side. Yeah, the airport is that side and the city is that side. That is. So guys, every time I come out of the water, my head have to look like a mad person. Anyways, we're on the hunt to find some stick so we can start some fire, guys. But it seems like stick used hard over this place. I don't even see any. So guys, we never tell you the island. We're at Lime Key Island with mixed beauty Mel and Jessica Cargill. So we don't know it's a vibe, but we just hop out of the water and a time for me to get some fire sticks so we can catch up a fire and cook some food. So guys, look at this. This is the view we have right now. All the way over there is the airport and you have the city on this side. So you know it's a vibe. I get colder now, so I get to sit them and put on some shirts. So catch you guys back when I catch a fire. Yeah, we get back around. Get the fire up now. Here till we bucky.
No.
Nah, boy. It's hot though.
Since I get there.
It's hot. Nah,
It's
boy,
soon-
but
it's
you can
soon
put it in,
boil.
man. It's hot.
I soon boil.
So let's put some more stick.
Give it another minute.
Another minute, yeah. Like that, if we start.
Play with my penny.
Penny. Penny.
Basta.
That's it.
Stop playing games with the pen, the pasta. You gotta do it the correct way.
So this is part for the pasta.
No, not
Penny.
taking no bashment out from Italians. So we're doing it the right way.
Yeah. It's in
Wait. Wait.
for cutty.
Whoa, playing with the pen.
Come on. And it's hot boil.
Come on. Watch the pen, the pasta. And I got stop with Italian accent in our
Two
night.
piece on the table. I don't know if you can see this view, you know, but this view is crazy.
Use some to separate them. Yeah,
Look at that.
together. Oh.
Cook. We call us again. We call it again. Penny.
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 The pen, the pasta.
What else I need? What else I need now? Oh, yeah, there's a strength off.
Strain in it.
You guys, you must strain off the pasta from the. You must strain off the pasta. Strain off the water from the pasta. I know nothing about it and something. I never tried it. I never eat it before, so I'll be excited. So I'm gonna do fry like this the shrimp. What do you do with that?
Just watch. Just
Oh,
watch.
alright.
Let me see your color you like. Watch and learn, man.
Alright.
You think I hear chef tonight?
No, I'm not a chef. Let's see that I look. Come on, no.
You hear
I
we
never do this
asking
yet.
you questions.
Alright. Sorry.
Child,
Sorry.
let the lady do her stuff.
Nice. What?
You sit down there not in here.
I could have prepared it.
Yes, man. Chat
Prepare what?
No, the
Listen to me.
veggies and
I am confused as to what's going on. I'm asking questions.
Alright, ask.
Yeah.
Alright, you
Here one.
No, no, cut off.
no veggie.
What's this?
Oh, vegetables.
Him
Oh,
snack them
snacks
when you
and thing.
put away from him.
Anyway. Snacks. And I will barely make a put for them.
Ay.
Cut up veggies, onion.
We actually have like a napkin or
You have
something.
knife? Oh,
I
yeah.
have
You know, whoa, ants!
Oh.
We have
Napkin.
something like napkin.
We want it for them.
Them. You know them so wet.
Waity.
which one?
I want to see what's going on. Yeah, me sitting in a bush of rock.
Napkins alone.
Roast my fish, me there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to I scale my fish. I go scale my fish how long and roast it.
Yeah, waste time, brother. You know, see.
Yeah, I say, I go
Show this funny
don't watch my fish, hear me tell?
grill. Don't watch it.
Don't watch it. It was hard to shoot.
It was hard to shoot.
I mean, cut. I'm gonna do the knife. If grass is not follow me.
Yeah.
Where am I put the knife?
Yeah, go raw for your knife. See, ants want fighting for your fish there.
Jessica, this is butter bread. This is butter bread. That you must
Because
scratch
you
the fish.
you don't do it right. Really? Oh, okay.
You have a knife? I don't know what it is.
That's why it's more dull.
God.
It worked for the. It worked for the wrong side.
Ever wonder?
Watch out, check if I wrong side of my share use people.
Oh, look. That's good.
No, but seriously.
You know,
Because I lost my Swiss knife. I don't know where it is. I
Wait.
can't find it. Come down the day and go food.
Me just come here so with the knife.
And then you fix it.
Put it on the grill. I'm gonna see that better now day. You gonna put enough.
Oh, what kind of season that?
All purpose. So you see everything. Then go take this guy go to until you go season fish. Never fish season funny. Chuck it on the grill, huh?
So you outside there, you not go burn up anything?
No.
Pan the fire there?
Nah, bun. Yeah, make sure no bun. No. Nah, burn.
You find some side.
Right, that's how I go. Yeah.
You need the pot holders?
I need more fire. Yes! My fish are going roast here now. I eat. What you call that now? Roast it tonight.
Yes, done that.
Oh, I didn't already. We're gonna saute the vegetables with the shrimp. Okay.
Okay, you finally catch on.
Yes, like all of me ox.
So we not tell them?
No.
This nice, eh?
No. Smoke. Fish I go bone up now. Got a fish walk up in your mouth. You want to say, help?
After you cut the fish mouth open, you can
I'm gonna cut it open. Fish. Shrimp. Alfredo.
the test for that, you know.
One shrimp.
Yeah, to taste it hot.
You actually have like
A spoon. Your plastic spoon can't use it.
no.
Just use your hand and flip it up.
You can use the
You understand? Like?
Not door knife, right?
No, MJ one.
The shrimp.
Oh, use the back eye.
The fish are burn up. Too much fire. You say, just roll it with the holder. Oh, shoot. I know I can piece do them fire. Do them like chef. Yeah. Shrimp Alfredo. Yeah. Burn the shrimp too. I can have
You know, since you have put on my top of the knife.
That burn up my fish. That burn up a pot. Turn down your stove. Turn down your stove. Wow. How about that? Me look. That's there. Outside. That's a milk so thick. Cream. You turn up. Yo. He turn up.
Oh man.
But man, I cook it too.
My shrimp.
Burn.
Chef.
Take it from over the high flame here.
Wow. Smells good, man. Aye.
Oh, when you buy a big one, then they say, yo! You see what I talk about?
No, this.
Yeah. Yeah,
Ciao. Guys, look how this look nice. Right now, it's not take too long, you know. Now I put it in pasta now and the cheese. This look too good for the body stove. Why? This look. This
See
look
the
too
evidence,
good.
say no people. Watch the evidence on fish.
That done, man.
Watch this.
Shrimp one. And the eyeball still.
Eight eyeball. Oh gosh.
Oh. Music guy chef. That's
You
not
found
cooking
the
for
spoon?
me.
Yeah. What the hell?
Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan.
Why this look good?
Alright, you can put some of the pasta in this. But we have way more pasta than sauce, so we're not going to use all.
Use everything, come here, eat it. But you know, come on. Rotted. Should we have my water yet? When he take it still away. It's a cookie, we'll keep it from stick. What for one person?
Oh no, girl.
You waste
Waste a little bit where we are.
Make sure there's no shrimp you throw it in. Oh. Pasta can, you should have shown a whole spoon of pasta over this.
Alright, let's add some more.
Cheesy.
Yeah, this looks so good.
All that spoon they can't not go recognizable again.
The cheese, I gotta do it.
People, he said 5 billion star hotel. What's the gourmet?
Gourmet.
Thank you! Oh my. Guys, look at this. Big chef. I'm long overdue for a good treatment too, man. Shoot. Yes, $2 cover. You know this spoon, you know?
Yes, people. We're eating.
Garnish.
And then she's adding her little garnish now, her little parsley. You can throw some more pasta in that and scrape up the rest of it, something then before it dries. Before it dries. You should undo that now.
I know for much of that, man. I don't lick me. I don't want for them.
No, when hungry lick you know.
I don't have time for that now. I gotta eat.
Alright, we need 5 cents for you and
No, man, I'm good. Just think I forget this. This I forget the spoon. I like my phone not 50. Guys, good morning. Just rise up out of the tent. I don't know how cold Africa. I'm gonna go jump off straight into the water. We're going diving this morning. You will freeze them out. So people, besides we're gonna test the water. The water is flat, so it's a good time now. Yeah. So guys, yo, I feel like some things that bite me. Why? I don't know what is this. It like sandflies or something. Yo. What's that? Guys, when you go into the water, look at these things. Ay. The sandflies are killing me. Guys, I missed the sunset this morning, but it's really nice. It was sunset, the sunrise. You know? Let's see what's going on around here. Oh my. There's a plane lifting off, but I can't see. Anyways guys, as I said, I'm gonna jump off into the water and see if we can spray some fish. Maybe we can bring back home or for lunch. So that's at the pre right now. So let's go and head in the water because this sandfly bite me up, so we have to move right now. So let's go. sure. Guys, look at this ship. Well, it's a ship. I don't know what kind of ship is it. So now it move out and out from out port and thing. So guys, we just finished doing some diving, but we not managed to get any fish. I only got one parrot fish. But we didn't get any more. Yes, I mean, the fish are really tell which part we go still. Maybe I just never overdate to this stuff, but we're gonna see if we can look about some breakfast now. If we just stay here, just admire the ship passing by. But we'll see if we can get some breakfast now, people, and get something to eat. So people, right now it's time to get some breakfast cooked. So we'll get the fire up. You know, I'm the fireman, so I get the fire make up and we're gonna start some cooking. But yeah guys, it has been a good morning so far. We went diving. We never really get anything as I said before. But we forget we're gonna make some fried dumpling with saltfish and baked bean, and that's gonna be for breakfast. So that's gonna be a vibe. So I get breakfast sort out, and then anything else happen from that, I'll just update you guys on that. Yeah, I have to hide my hand them, because you know the mask do it. Anyways, I get the fire up here now, so let's get that done. They may come like iguana. They look like snake, man. Them things gonna be the creeps.
Yeah, that's what you mean. Pretty color.
Yeah.
Wanna eat mango skin?
Oh. Hey.
Skin. Watch him.
Allah.
Allah.
Allah. My love, come and lick it up. Then team though. So I never want to sleep at door? Them things yeah. Look at this snake. No, that's not cute.
That's very good.
The
Look at the
color
color.
pretty, yeah.
If you're zooming, you know, you're gonna see it really good.
Mm-hmm. So people have the fire ready already, so you don't know if that's set to start out. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to knead the flour and we're going to fry the dumpling on this fire, so stay tuned for that. So people that don't know that's the thing now, we get the flour knead and we're going to fry some dumpling with some saltfish and baked bean. So, time to knead the flour.
What you see in front of you first is not mainland. Mainland
Yeah, I
is
know that.
behind it.
Yeah.
So they have the Swiss passport? No. My family for the longest while now. Haven't seen them.
Sweet pepper and saltfish. So guys, so we're going to the baked bean and saltfish in the pot. We have the fried dumpling right here. Soon time to dig in.
What? No, girl.
So,
My girl, this is not real. No vegetables, no. Who doesn't eat? No. Our planting is life. You need fruits. This is delicious. Right?
they look cold.
I got careful.
Oi! Alright. Hello. Oi, oi, oi. Aja. My plate is empty. Yeah, after nothing. That looks good. Get some water now. I like it. The salt dehydrate, man. Okay, dehydrated. You see the water pick up?
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at.
So guys, we just got finished diving again. But we have to dive straight from one, still got the water really nice. But anyways, this time we are getting everything packed up now, people, because I don't know if it's getting a bit late and the boat will soon arrive. So we have to try pack up the stuff them, and so we can head back across to mainland. You see me, and then we just head over from there. So now we just by I'm going easy back like I have a mango in the tent. I'm gonna go eat right now. See if I can find that. Yep, I got a mango. And we gonna wash it off down the river. There's no river. Mango, mango, mango. Look at that. This is super nice. This is so sweet.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
So guys, we're getting the stuff back in the boat. I have to hold the boat because the breeze kind of pull the boat, so I have to hold it. You know, but we have packed up all the stuff them paid out. The stick of them gone up the summer. You don't know we're going to head cross soon. You know. Yeah, so we're just holding the boat, you know. Go on in, Mel. Ready? Find myself on land here, because I used to see, you know. I don't see no friend. Land all the way over there, some people.
Yeah, man, adventure, baby.
Some wave. That's some wave, you see, man. Up in that here we are go.
Yeah,
Up in that here we are go.
yeah, man, wait till
What's
you
this?
drop